My name is Nicholas Galuzzi. I am an avid baseball fan and I love to travel. Uh, I have a beautiful family that I care about deeply and a Maltese named Bella. I am from Long Island, New York, and I consider myself an aspiring food connoisseur. I'm a total car guy. In my free time, I like to go dirt biking and go for walks. Recently, I have bought my very own entry level 3D printer, and I'm experimenting with some designs as a novice. That is. Uh, I am perfect for my desired position because I love technology and working with computers. I have always been a person of varying interests, and I worked my whole life to be in the position I am today, and I hope I will be rewarded for my efforts and my passion to keep learning more. I have always been a person that tries to do the right thing and embraces learning through others. Okay, this is my long awaited digital portfolio. I am graduating in May, and I could not be more excited for the working world. I am confident that my skills acquired at UNCW will be instrumental in me finding a career. As a communication studies major specializing in broadcasting, I know that my graphic design, editing, and animation skills will one day allow me to follow my dreams and become a graphics coordinator for a network. Now, this will allow me to follow my passion and have a job that I will not dread going to. I couldn't be more thankful for my experience at the university and how it has shaped me as a person and has allowed me to grow with such versatile curriculum. With a versatile curriculum, that is. I worked very hard and did my best on each and every assignment I was given. Alright, I would like you to check out my portfolio here. I can be reached at nsg6266 at uncw.edu. Now, the occupation that I'm interested in would entail the following. I would have to follow a log and schedule shows and commercials for networks. I will be required to key in graphics and logos, do editing, transferring source, broadcasting signals from networks, using digital switchboards, and occasionally manufacturing vectors. I would also be in charge of overlooking digital operations. A technician in this field may be responsible for fixing equipment that is needed for maintenance and for computer systems. A coordinator may be in charge of transmitting and broadcasting signals for shows. I'm going to scoot down to my first graphics from ZZ Streetwear. Now, a person with this position should be able to troubleshoot and monitor hardware systems. Depending on your position, you may be either working with digital video or digital audio. This job also calls for regulating the issues at hand in order to have a clear signal and generate television and radio signals correctly. Most often, a person of this occupation will work 12-hour shifts and a bachelor's degree is needed. Now, this portfolio allowed me to showcase some of my computer skills. Now, what I just pulled up is my designs from my streetwear company, ZZ Streetwear. And what I do is I used a company called Spreadshirt to sell custom merchandise and make commissions. This shows I have the ability to make custom and quality designs and also generate sales. Switch to the next page now. This next page is some of my logos for clients. This shows that I can take a customer's vision and turn it into actual artwork. This is some of the certificates that I have collected over the years as a comm major through Skillsoft mostly. They gave me some good insights on training and about how to be professional and productive. The last two artifacts in my field production is from my field production documentary and my third podcast in Dr. Purnell's class. For both of these, it was my first time using editing softwares. For the podcast, I used Adobe Audition, and for the video, I used Adobe Premiere Pro. These both gave me some experience with professional grade equipment. I am very thankful that I had so much hands-on learning and something to show for it. I know it's not easy to land a great job, but with a college degree, it opens up doors that may not have been there without it. I never put too much pressure on myself. I gave going to undergrad a shot and prepared to fail, but I came through and couldn't be more happy with the skills I've acquired. My resume is at the bottom. Thank you for sticking around. I really enjoyed this class, and I can't wait to see what the other students are doing. And I actually had fun with this assignment. Thank you.